Now in the UK, drinks at Subway come in two sizes. We have a regular, which is 400 millilitres.
20 ounce, Sprite, what up?
And we have a large.
30 ounce, boom. And if you're really thirsty, 40 ounces of soda. 40 ounces is a little over 3 cans of soda. That is way too much soda. That's just too much.
If you're a fan of Subway's cookies, in the UK those come in three sizes. 1 cookie, 3 cookies, or 12 cookies.
In the US Subway, you can get a single cookie, a dozen cookies, right like that, or the, hang on, I keep rolling, the 36 cookie platter, booyah!